name's River. I'm back out here with my dad, and today we're doing origami. So I hope you like it. So first you fold it over long ways. It's okay if you don't get a deep cool because nobody's perfect. So it looks like this. And then you unfold it, straighten it out. And then you do this right here. You fold the corners over, all of them. So this is just the top row. So it looks like this. And then you do it on the others. It's kind of hard to get them equal too, so it doesn't really matter. It won't mess it up or anything. So it would look something like this. You see the 4 flaps? And then you see this little equal part right here. You will fold it over like this. So it looks like this. And then you do it to the other side. So it looks like this, basically. And then you get this triangle right here. And then you put it right here. And then you do the same to the other side. So it looks like this, okay? You have 2 big flaps and 2 smaller flaps. And then right here, you'll see it's blank. That's where you can write or draw anything. And then this part's a little bit confusing, but it's okay. So you get the first little part right here, and then you fold it down. So it looks like this. And then the other one, you have to stuff in these. It's a little bit wrinkly, but whenever you get it in, you just mush it down and then it's okay. So it will look like this. And you're probably asking me, how do you open it? You write you can write to me and all that, but right here you tell them pull me. So whenever you pull this, then they open this. You'll see a blank spot. That's where you drew at or made the photo. So I hope you like this. This is a nice little gift to give to someone. Say I love them or I miss you. So I hope you use this.
What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna show you how to make a heart. It's a folding heart. It's kind of cool. Me and River wanted to do something different today, and she said she wanted to try to do some folding paper. So origami. So let's try this. This heart right here. You just take your corners, line them up as good as you can. Take it, press it down just like this. See how that is? Go the opposite side the same way. Same way. And if y'all try to do some of these folds, you know, your kids or something at your house, and y'all sit down and try to do this, I know we're locked up in quarantine right now, and a lot of us is coming out of quarantine, but a lot of us still in quarantine. So if y'all do this, post us a picture of how y'all's turned out so we can see them. I think that'd be kind of cool. So once that's done, a lot of people flip it over, and they'll take and pinch it like this right here. You know, that don't work too good for me. So what I do is I fold the sides in like this. See where your wrinkles are? Fold your sides in and take and smash this down. See how that turned out? Push it down. See how this is? See your sides, a little flat? Looks good. Alright, now what you do is fold the flat piece to the middle, turn it around, do the same thing. Fold your flat piece to the middle. Okay, once that's done, come to the side. See, this is what you'll have. Alright, come to the side right here, take your corner, fold it to the center. Just like that. Come on this side, do the same thing that you did. Fold it to the center as close as you can get it. Okay, close it off like that. So that's what you'll end up having. Okay, Now with this, fold it over on the back, take your triangle and fold it down until it's flush with your corners. You don't want your corners to roll up. So that's it, just like that. Alright, now what I do is I got my triangle down, okay? Take and fold it over the triangle just a little bit, okay? Just like that. Now pull your triangle up. Once you pull your triangle up, drop it back down on your paper. Take this corner and then you'll take it and fold it in. There's a little flap right here. See that pocket? Push that flap like that. Fold it down. Same way on the side. Take your corner, push it in that flap, run it till it's stuck, fold it down. So that's what you'll end up with. These corners are in that paper. Okay? Alright? Now once that back is done, that's exactly what it look like. Hope you can see that. So then, take your flap, your wing right here, fold it down just like this, smash it. Same way. Fold it down about evenly, and then smash it. So that's what you'll end up with. Just like these. These little flaps will be right here. Okay? What I do is, right here is a little flap. Pick it up and tuck this up underneath here and fold it. Just like that. Okay? Same way on this side. Take that flap, pick your paper up, and fold it up underneath there. Smash it up under there. So when you look at it, you got a perfect love letter heart. See how that looks? It's pretty good, isn't it? And see how it looks on the back? Now I'm going to just show you this real quick because I don't know how much of this video I got. So you can do like to and then from right here. And then put I love you. Just like this. Okay? So that's how I would do that. Just like that. Well, what I find out is like do this. Fold your paper first and then make your little heart. Then once you open your heart up, you can see where your writing's at so you won't write over top your writing. So that's what I like to do. So it's just something that me and my little girl come up with to do something different for us. So please like and subscribe to our channel.
I hope you like it. I hope you use this. It's a really nice, easy gift.
So definitely make these. And post some videos of your pictures or post some pictures of you making these things. So we can see that you tried it. At least try it. It ain't going to hurt you. You know, take the time and try to make some. And post us a picture. And then we'll try to do something different.
We'll try to make a part 2 of this. I hope we do. We'll try to learn some new stuff.
Yeah, we'll try to do some birds or something different. But please like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you.